Okay, first look, 7103. Nice and wide door. Let's get our paperwork. Welcome to my channel. All right, we walked into the room. The temperature was nice and cozy, 71.2 degrees Fahrenheit. A little bit too warm for me, but great for my husband. So when you walk into the room, on the left-hand side, there is a unit with a lot of shelving. I mean, a lot of shelving. I don't think I'm going to be using it on this cruise. However, in the future, I definitely will. Okay, 7103. This is the part I don't understand. How are you supposed to get through to the side of the bed? You want us to squeeze through here. Temperature control. It's a good thing I have air freshener because you can smell how old this room is. And you come over here and we have more shelving. We have two 120 volts right here where the telephone is at. And more shelving. There is no full-size mirror in here. Go figure that. There's a TV that actually moves, which is nice, from side to side. So if you're watching TV over here, you can actually see the TV. Then you got these drawers over here. And you see how we separated the beds? Look how much space is here now that we separated these beds. That was absolutely ridiculous that those beds were together and there was no space to get on either side of the bed. Because you see where the beds go, they actually touch the dresser. So how was we supposed to go over there? That was ridiculous. So this is the beds. Over here by the light switches, there is only light switches. Why don't we have some type of USB outlets so you can control the lights? But you can't plug anything in. You can't plug nothing in. And don't press this button. John pressed this button and we had a phone call immediately from guest services. That's the emergency button. But that controls the lights for the entire room. And while we're here, we have an ocean view window. And out here is our balcony. Look, John is sitting out there. The drawbacks of our balcony is that everybody that's in this line shares the balcony with us. Walk out the door and you'll be at this balcony. You just walk right on out. And back here is our private balcony. Little private balcony. This cruise ship has seen better days. And here's our room. 7103. The magnet situation is not too good. You see how that doesn't stick on there? It sticks here, but not on the door. So just keep that in mind when you getting ready to decorate your door, you buy your decorations, you're gonna have to put it right here. See how that don't stick on the wall next to the door? Keep that in mind. This is how much space we have, which is cool, right? It's a lot of space. Then we have the refrigerator. And it has a shelf. And then we have the bathroom. Look at that blue. Look at the blue sink. And that pole underneath. Whatever you call them things. And there's, I guess there's a lot of space. I don't know. But we use the space well. And, you know, this is an old ship. So, right, I'm just going to look at the shower curtain as being nostalgic. You know, the towels are dated. But you know what you're going to get when you go on an old ship, so I have no complaints about it, honestly. I got to say that the shower is very spacious. This is an accessible room. There's the chair. We didn't pull it down. I don't even know if it works. And then that's the shower. And the door is nice and wide. This nightlight was so annoying, but it's a good nightlight for those who need it. It just woke me up. All right, so that's the scooter folded. And old school closet, y'all, the old school closet. And they had plenty of hangers, even though I asked for a couple of more. Bonus footage. Stay tuned. Oh, this is a nice big room. This is supposed to be the suite, I guess. And then the bathroom is in here. Oh, look at that. This is the suite. Okay, I just sneaking a peek. Okay, all right. It smells better than my room. Odd-shaped room. Look at this room. John and I paid $295 for our room. We received $100 back on board credit. You get what you pay for. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you soon. Bye.